sigana mar Kenya Kwanza kama oyudo ni moko kuom jood bura mar Kenya Kwanza kod josiasa mawuok Kimbo mar Kenya owuok oko motegno madok ne jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha ka giwacho ni gibiro lombo jood bura mondo wit oko paro mar thiche oko e apisi. Gisingo wito oko paro mar thi e chikno mibiro pedhi e nyim od bura gi jood bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino ka giwacho ni dwach lakteche go thoth kendo sirikal ok nyal chiwo gi duto. Gimedo ni winjruok e kind lakteche kod sirikal notim e higa mar 2017 omiyo ok nyal ti kode sani.
That gives us energy is the news. Tukasema pole basi kwa niaba ya wote.
Any member of parliament coming up with the motions of impeachment, we are not going to allow that. Let the government plan and see how sanity is going to be restored in the health department.
Just Google and see how much an intern is supposed to be paid. So even the MP who is lying to you that is going to bring an impeachment motion, I can tell you it is dead on arrival.
We know she's the only minister representing us in the national government. We want her to stay there and perform. No one should use the excuse of a strike. A strike is a labor issue, is a labor matter, and the labor matter is being resolved. Don't target Nakumicha.
There's no way we are going to allow our fellow MPs to impeach her. So the impeachment idea and motion is not there. It's just a funeral declaration.
We should not only throw stones at the CS. I think that labor issue has a place where the county government has to play its part and the national government has to play its part.
Jood bura mar Shinyalu Freddy